today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money with Binance, cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin. You can even turn your earnings into cash if you want. The coolest thing is, you don't need any experience or technical analysis skills. Most people actually lose money day trading because it's complicated. We're going to discuss a very low-risk way to make money online with Bitcoin or cash, and that method is affiliate marketing. Back in the day, I got into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I saw a lot of people put a lot of money into their investments and think they were rich, but because they didn't sell, they ended up losing all that money. Now, we're in a similar situation where people are uncertain about whether to invest now or wait. Bitcoin could hit $400,000 or it could drop again. Everything is still speculation. Affiliate marketing, a low-risk strategy. Affiliate marketing is a low-risk method to make money. Regardless of Bitcoin's price, exchanges always make money. Just like a casino, exchanges profit in both bull and bear markets. Instead of investing your own money at a peak, you can partner with Binance through their affiliate program. By promoting Binance, you can earn up to 50% commission every time someone completes a trade through your affiliate link. I know people making a whole Bitcoin every day by just sharing their trading experiences and linking to Binance. This approach is akin to selling shovels during a gold rush. The people who made the most money were those selling shovels, not digging for gold. How to start with Binance Affiliate Program. To get started, just Google Binance Affiliate Program and sign up. You can get up to 50% commission on trades made through your link. Some of my friends make substantial money by creating YouTube videos about their trades and linking to Binance. They document their trading journeys, and viewers use their affiliate links to start trading, earning them commissions. Document your journey and earn. Even if you're not an expert, you can start trading with a small amount and document your journey. Create content around your learning process and share your affiliate link. You don't have to be a trading expert to succeed. You just need to be honest and transparent about your experiences. This way, you attract more viewers who are interested in trading and using your link. In summary, during a gold rush, it's the shovel sellers who profit the most. By becoming an affiliate for Binance or any other exchange, you mitigate the risk of losing your own money while still profiting from the cryptocurrency market. Learn a marketing skill, and you can earn in various currencies, including Bitcoin. For more detailed guidance on affiliate marketing, check out the free workshop below. Let me know your thoughts. I love you guys. Peace out.